Attention! This video is intended for the purpose of educating and understanding the Forex market. It is not created to induce investment. Investment is risky. Therefore, investors should study information before making an investment decision.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our lessons again, and we are now in chapter 7. In this part, we're going to learn about these 4 topics here. The first one, we start by talking about how to get in and out in order to make an effective profit. And then we move on to the part of finding a point to buy and win on market conditions. And thirdly, we move to the part of how to use trailing stop, and then end up with the part of finding high performance reversal points. Are you ready to learn something more? So let's get started. In the first topic here, we will focus on how to get in and out in order to make an effective profit. When the market is trending, the market range is clearly characterized by the trends of price rises or downs, which correspond to the support and resistance. Traders mostly prefer to make profit during the market's ups or downs. From the pictures, it indicates an uptrend and what the uptrend is. Let's say uptrend is how to profit from bullish divergence. This is a graph with signs that price will rise. Therefore, when bullish divergence occurs, it must be bought immediately at the end of bearish divergence. Now let's move on something different, which is called downtrends. And let's see from the picture and what the downtrend is. Downtrends is how to profit from bearish divergence. This is a graph with signs that prices will fall. Therefore, when the bearish divergence occurs, it must be sold immediately at the end of bullish divergence. Now let's take a look in the details in how to get in and out during the market sideway. Sideway usually occurs when the graph fluctuates. The chart quickly runs up and down. The overall picture is similar to waves, which when the chart like this occurs, making it difficult for traders to analyze. During the market sideway, traders can make profits from the support resistance breakout. This means that the price chart runs through the support or resistance as a trading signal, which is a good sign of entry because it allows traders to buy at the point of price reversal. Now let's take a look in the second topic here, which is about finding a point to buy and win all market conditions, what the trader should consider at. If a trader wants to place an order as to win in any market conditions, both technical and fundamental principles must be used alongside. This is due to the precise techniques can't beat in every news with a violent current. When strong news comes out, it results in a graph moving and swinging violently. The most popular website used by traders to follow news is Forex Factory, but not all news affect the market. Therefore, we must sort out what kind of news affect the market. The examples of the major news affecting the market such as non-farm payrolls, Fundero's reverse monetary policy committee, trade balance, consumer price index, important events such as elections, coups, war, natural disaster also affect the market. One of the news that should not be overlooked is non-farm. The U.S. employment rate report, which is announced every first Fridays of the month at 7:30 p.m., and some months may announce at 8:30 p.m. At the time of the non-farm announcement, the movements of the various currency pairs often has very high volumes, and the market tends to have severe volatility. Most professional investors avoid trading during non-farm news because of the high risks. Let's move on to the part of trailing stop and how to use it. Trailing stop is a loss point cut off based on the current price by postponing the stop loss point, which result in profitable trades. This is another stop-loss method that can help lock the profit in trading. In order for the order to be opened for profit and no chance of a loss, this raises the stop-loss level in the event that trade the right way. To set trailing stop in NT4, traders just do the right click through the open order, choose trailing stop, then choose the point you want. This helps traders stop the loss and be able to make profit at the same time. Trailing stop is the way to stop loss after making any profit.
Now let's move on to the last topic, which is about finding high performance reversal points in different way. Let's talk about the first one, RSI. During the market trend, the RSI tool should be used as it is the easiest way to make profit. When the RSI reaches the line 70, will turn upside down, and when it's reached 30, it will be reversed upwards. The second way is about parabolic SAR. During market volatility, parabolic SAR should be used. We can see that when the parabolic SAR is under the chart, it indicates an uptrend, whereas when the parabolic SAR is on the graph, it indicates a downtrend. We will open the order when the SAR point change the trend. Now let's move on to the last topic, which is about support and resistance. Support and resistance is the most advantageous trading techniques. If the loss is made, it will cause a small loss, but if it is profitable, it will be a loss as well. Usually trading along the support resistance, trader will set the risk-reward ratio up to 1 to 3, which is a very good way to enter the trade. This means that trader lost only 1, but if traders win, they will earn 3 times as much. Framing the support resistance lines of the day, which is considered to be preliminary strength, and then setting to the weeks and months, which were even stronger respectively. When the chart runs against the support or resistance, then traders open the order. And if traders want to set the risk reward at 3, 2, 1, then they can set the stop loss at 300 points and take profit at 900 points. In order to set how many points, we'll look at the distance between the support and the resistance. Or you can have it here in our service and products, Trading with Neowin FX. Contact us for more at neowinfx.com or just scan our QR code right in front of you. We are here to assist you anytime.